So let's have a look at the application that we're actually going to build. We're going to build a Twitter dashboard in JavaFX. And what this is going to do is it's going to react dynamically to real Twitter messages that came out over the internet and give us an idea of some basic metrics around these tweets. So we're going to have a leaderboard of the top tweeters. We're going to have an idea of like how happy and sad the tweets are and generally trending of happiness over time. So that's kind of the basics. And we're going to build this in JavaFX. And the reason I picked JavaFX is mostly because I want this to be a Java 8 tutorial, and by using Java on the UI as well as on the back end, we can use lambdas and streams and other Java 8 stuff in the UI. So it's not necessarily a vehicle to teach people JavaFX, it's more just another way of teaching the Java 8 syntax for new things. This is the architecture. We're going to build this up gradually, so there's no need to necessarily look at this and grok it straight away, okay? So the idea is that we have lots of very tiny services. One might even call them microservices, but one might not, because we're not necessarily going to talk about microservices in detail. But what we are going to do is show how to use Java to build discrete individual services and use them to feed the UI. So we're going to use this architecture diagram to show where we are throughout the process as we go through the tutorial. But I will go into each piece in much more detail as we go along. As I said, this is where the code is. So if you are interested in downloading the code, hopefully you've done that by now.